Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. This is Trader UC from Mommy Trades. Hope everybody is having a great holiday and enjoying their time off. Annie is right now out shopping with her friends and my elder son. And I am home taking care of the little ones, and I just did not want to go out. I will probably go check out some things tomorrow, but just wanted to check in and say hello and go over a few charts. I think that we can just kind of quickly go over and discuss and see if we like something. So let's go to, this is Thinkorswim. Let's go to charts tab, and I don't know, let's start with Nvidia. Okay, let me go somewhere else because I don't want to touch Annie's charts and these lines and stuff because she's very sensitive about it. I mean, if I go mess something up, I don't want that. So let me go to stockcharts.com. There you go, and we'll start with Amazon. Let's start with a monthly view. So this is a 20 EMA line, the blue one, and the red one is the 9 EMA line, and these are monthly bars, right? So I always like to start with monthly. As you can see, we had this move down since July, and then in October we got this hammer bar right above the 20 EMA, and now in November we made the move above that monthly level. We broke the October high, so that's a good sign. There's only one day left for trading tomorrow, November 29th, and this monthly bar will also take its final shape at that point, and that looks good. Both are bottom wicks. Little volume here in October, and definitely November volume will be low because of the holidays and everything else, but it's looking to be nice, right? So definitely we can see a push towards 1850 level. If I drill down to a weekly level, we had this big sideways to slightly bearish move, but if you see in November we made this higher low, right? We tried coming down. We did not get any bearish move down after this red bar. We paused, and then we made this big move up on into this current week, which is trying to break out of this recent swing high point here. So yeah, looks nice. Let's see if the next week, which is December, when December starts, it kind of brings some follow through back towards the upside. So we'll see. Okay, that is Amazon. Let's go to Google monthly chart. Yeah, I mean, Google gives you a good range, as you can see, with these wicks on both sides of the monthly bars. So the path of least resistance is definitely up, and every time we touch in the monthly level to this 9 EMA line, it bounces back up, so that's good. And if we go back to the weekly chart for this one, we are comfortably above the EMA line. Both of these short-term moving averages are pointing up, or for the weekly level. We got this nice volume increase here towards the 1300 level as it broke that, and now it's kind of consolidating a little bit. We got this last week was this bearish trend bar down, and now we still have one more day left, but it looks to be forming an inside bar, which is usually, in this case, if it breaks out towards the upside from next week, it should give us a good follow through, at least towards the highs from these recent highs. So that could be a good sign. But if it breaks down, we can see if this rising 9 EMA line provides support. So something to watch for, and this has been I mean, if you look at it, this has been a sort of a resistance, and it should be a nice support at least until it gets broken down as well. But I don't think it's gonna get broken down. So yeah, we'll see. But not predicting here, right? Let's go back to a monthly view and see shop. I know everybody at Mommy Trades likes to shop. So does Annie. Nice chart. Buying pressure comes in every time we go below 310 area. Buying pressure comes in. You can see by these bottom wicks, and we have been above the 9 EMA line, all these candles in the monthly view, and now again we jumped when we touched this 300 EMA line. Okay, nice chart. I like it. Definitely a bullish flavor to it. And if we go to a weekly time frame for the same chart, a big 2 months of sideways consolidation if you look at the weekly, but definitely it gave good range in the daily time frame, and that's what I think Annie likes to play. So which is a good sign. So definitely a resistance level that I would be looking for towards the upside would be this 350 area. It's a nice round number, so 350 and above is definitely a close above that would be good. And we saw that all these candles, the recent weekly candles, were below this 9 EMA line, but we just in the last 2 weeks we got this nice jump towards the upside here this past week actually, and this EMA line has started to turn up a little bit. Still a little premature to call it a trend change, but something to look for, right? I'm sure if we go to a daily time frame, it might give a good view as well. Daily long, let's see, what is that? Yeah, all this congestion zone, but as you can see, all these trend bars are good daily range bars, and we got this outside bar right here, and since then we have come all the way up. And as you can see, this past week to week and a half, we got these all these candle bars closing above the 9 EMA line, and we got this Thursday, I think it was Wednesday, right, or something, Tuesday, we got this big bar up and a little follow through to the upside. Nice volume. Let's see if we push this 345 to 50 area for a close, or if December ends up being the month where we finally break out towards the upside and start going back up. But good price action. Okay, TTD has been on fire. Let's look at the monthly view. Actually, a friend of mine works there, and he tells me all the good stuff about it. And he's an employee, so definitely he has a bigger fundamental picture in mind. And whatever they're doing, the market seems to love it. So it's reflected in the stock price. All these nice green bars up, and it broke down here in September, did not get any follow through to the downside, paused, and then when we broke the monthly level back towards the upside, we got this huge move up. I mean, if you look at it from the weekly chart, look at this very nice big trend bars. Exhausted, I don't know, but this thing can keep pushing up. The volume is drying up a little bit, so maybe a good thing would be to just take a pause a little bit, but it's all relative. I think markets can be irrational and the stocks can keep moving, and as traders, we should not really care what is overbought or oversold. Otherwise, there will be not many trades. Yes, you can be cautious, but when it comes to trading, and especially options trading, we're just looking for quick profits anyways. So, but I think we have better charts to trade than TTD. But if any plays, we'll see what she comes up with. Let's look at BA. Boeing, is one of the charts. Yeah, sideways movement in the monthly view, big range between 385 all the way to 325, so about $60 range, both up and down the past few months. And if you break it down to weekly chart, so we are in that upper range of this channel between 385 and 325. See if we try to push that limit and move up, but otherwise if we don't, it'll just come back down. This is the volume has been okay, nothing that sticks out. Yep. Let's look at Netflix. Start with a monthly view. Yes, I think yeah, this is a good looking chart. Because this move down, sort of a and then a lower higher low and a higher high. Nice volume increase here at the bottom, so-called bottom, but definitely it is moving above its last month's high and totally above both its 9 and 20 EMA line. It hasn't, so still have one more day to close this month, but looks good, very nice. And if we go to a weekly view, yeah, all green trend bars, right? Nice. There is no red red weeks, so it's really good. Yeah, I would definitely be looking to buy the dips here in this name. I like it. I think daily can provide good entries, but we're not discussing that right now. Tesla. Yeah, again, I don't personally trade Tesla that much, but if we look at the monthly view, good volume here last month, made the move up, and now kind of taking a little rest. Yeah, it's just I think better charts elsewhere to trade, but if it provides a good day trade, sure, we'll take it. Okay, let's look at a couple of more. Roku. Let's look at a monthly chart. Yeah, it keeps getting bought. The dips keep getting bought, and that's what me and Annie were discussing, that this stock did not really show any weakness. I mean, it got bought. Then that news came out, and it just went back up. And then look at this big hammer-looking candle with the bottom wick. 9 EMA in the monthly provided good support, so all good here. If we look at the weekly view, all looks nice here too. Nice sort of a bullish engulfing bar here, and now sideways to an up move. I'm okay. It's the range has kind of contracted, but if it keeps doing that like that, yeah, I mean, definitely the previous all-time high is around like 177, 178 level. It can keep going towards that level and then break out eventually, but for right now, just time your entry in daily to hourly time frames for these, and I think we should be okay. Okay, let's look at one more. Facebook. Facebook monthly view is it's all right. It's not bearish definitely, but it's not super bullish as well. It looks nice. I would have liked much more volume here, but maybe it will come eventually once we get out of this 210 range. Yeah, it's nice. Let's look at the weekly view is good too. Consistently going up, and it can keep pushing towards this 208 range and then all the way to 218. Yeah, looks nice. Definitely, I think Annie had that view where she had some channels around that as well. Let's go and see. I think she has that over there. I don't know, maybe she removed that, but okay, that's fine. Well, those was just a quick review of the charts that everybody follows here at Mommy Trades, and I thought I would put in my commentary and provide some input. Thank you, and have a good rest of your long weekend. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.